find the median of following datas. Now these datas are given this type, that weight is given to you 15, 18, 20, 23, 25, 27, 28, 29. These type weights are given to you, and number of children are given this type 6, 7, 10, 14, 13, 8 and 3 and 2, and you have to find the median. Look here. Here meaning of this is the frequency. Number of children is given frequency, and this is the observations are given to you. Look here, weight 15 kg weight will be of the 6 students. This type, this weight will be in kg, and 18 kg weight of say 1 student, 20 kg weight of 10 students. So this type continuous we have. So how many number of children that we count, that is 63. We add these all, so we get 63. Now 63 is here odd number, and for odd number what is the formula? Look here, median will be here n equal to 63, and 63 is your odd number, and for odd number we know the median is n upon n plus 1 upon 2. For that median is n plus 1 upon 2 the observation. Okay, now n is here 63, 63 plus 1 upon 2. What we have? 63 and 64 upon 2. 64 upon 2 means here 32nd observation. Which is the 32nd observation that you have to find out? Means look here, if we write all the 63, for all the 63 students we write, it will be a very long process will be. Why? Because these are given in ascending order not. Yes, these are given in ascending order, 15, 18, 20, 23, 25, 27, 28 and 29. So look here, sometimes these are not given in ascending order, so you have to check these are given in ascending order or not. Yes, these are given ascending order. Here 15 we have 6 times, 18 we have 7 times, 20 we have 10 times, 23 we have 14 times, 25 we have 13 times, 27 we have 8 times, 28 we have 3 times and 29 we have 2 times. You understand this? Means this 15 we have to write 6 times. So look here, which observation will be 32nd observation, that you have to find out. So look here, what we do here, one more table we can draw, that is called a cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means we add continuously and we get a frequency. Look here, up to here means here 6 means 15 we have 6, 15 we have 6. Now these we will add. So 7 we add in 6, we get here 13. Means look here, up 18 and 15, how many total numbers are? 13 we have. 15 plus we write 15 6 times, then we write 18 7 times, means total we have 13 observations. Now we continuously we write 20 also. How many times we write? 10 times, means 10 also we add in 13, that we get 23. Okay, so 15, 18, 20, that we write up to 23rd observation. Next we add in 23, we add 14 also. So what we get? Look here, 37, means total we have 37th observation. We want here 32, means 24, 20 up to 23rd is this, and 24 to 37, these numbers are 23. I think you understand this. 24th to 37th, that observation is 23. So you can write here 32nd observation will be surely we have 23 only. So here median is 23. So you can write answer, median is 23, but you have to complete this table. That table is called cumulative frequency table. So if we add this 13 here, 37 plus 13, we have here 50. Now we add also we have to add 50 plus 8 is 58. Now we add 3 also, 58 plus 3, that is 61, and 61 plus 2 will be 63. Means last that observation is 29 observation we have 2 times, that is 62, and 63rd observation is 29. So hope you understand this. Look here, we have to find here cumulative frequency, and by the cumulative frequency you can find out that which observation is 32nd observation, that we have to check. So look here, these are a ungrouped data. Ungrouped data are given, then you will do this method. But if group data are given, that for we have a formula, and that we use this formula. So look here how we look here students. We have to find the median of continuous grouped data. Continuous means you can check this type as given continuous will be here 2000, again 2000 we have, means 1500 to 2000, that is we have 14. 2000 to 2500 we have 56. 2500 to 3000 we have 60. 3000 to 3500 we have 86. 3000 500 to 4000 is 74. 4000 to 4500 we have 62, and 4500 to 5000 we have 48. First of all, we add these f, okay, that we get 400. We will add these numbers, we get 400. Look here, for these type grouped data, you have to find the median, and for the median we have a very good formula. Okay, that formula you have to learn. Look here, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This L is totally different. L plus means in the low, what you write the L? L will be our lower limit of median class. First of all, you have to find your median class. What is the median class will be, that we will find out, and for that you will take the lower limit, that is called L. Same as we find in mode also. N by 2 means n is here 400. N is what is 400, and that you do half, means here n by 2 will be 200. Now you have to find CF. CF means cumulative frequency. CF meaning is what is cumulative frequency, and which cumulative frequency we will take, that I will show you. And F means frequency of that median class interval. F will be the frequency of median class. Median class will be whatever median class, that frequency will be, that is called the F. And H means the gap of this class interval. So you check H should same. So first of all, we write the H. What is H here? You find out the H is 500. H is 500. You can write here. Now you have to find cumulative frequency. How we can find cumulative frequency? 14 you write first as it is. Now 14 plus 56 you write. That will be equal to, you add this, 70 you get. Now 70 plus 60 you write. That you write 130. Then 130 plus 86 you write. That you get 216, and 216 you add 74. So you what you get, look here, 74 means 80, 290. 290 you get here, and 290 you add 62. So 2 and this 5 means 352 you get, and 352 plus 48 you do. 352 plus 48, that you get 400. Means this 400 and this 400 should same, means you can say this is a correct. Now look here, you have to find the n by 2. What we find first? N by 2. N by 2 is what is? N by 2 is 400 upon 2, means 200 we get 200. N by 2 means we get 200. Means you have to find out that which observation is 200th observation. Okay, so look here, up to here is 14, up to here is 17, up to here is 70, next is up to here is 130, up to here is 216. So look here, after 130 means 131 to 216 observations are between 3000 to 3500. So look here, this you will keep in a box. You will keep in a box. Look here, this is 3000 to 3500 is called median class. This is called median class. 3000 to 3500 is called median class, and for that lower limit is 3000. Lower limit is what is 3000. And now F means frequency of that, means you will take frequency is 86. And what we take this CF means cumulative frequency. Look here, you cannot take 216. 216 is more than 200. So we take above 1, that is 130. The previous CF we will take always, that is 130. And H already we know 500. These all values you put in formula, you will get the median. So median is, look here, L is 3000. N by 2 is already we calculated 200 minus CF is 130 upon F is here 86, and H is 500. 3000 you keep as it is. First of all, you subtract these 200 minus 130, you get 70, and upon 86 into 500. Okay. Now look here, 3000 plus 7 5 is 35. 35 and 30 upon 86. This 35,000 you divide by 86, you will get here 406.98. and that you will add with this, means 3406.98, you get the answer. That is the median. Median lifetime, means this median is, you can check between the 3000 and 3500. Look here, beyond this if you get the answer, means your calculation is mistake. So you will always get the answer between the median class. Means here we get 3406, that is between 3000 and 3500. So our answer is correct. Hope you understand this solution.